Hi, this is Dubis Forex Academy. I'm excited. Usually tell people I don't
actually like to trade during the Christmas period, more especially this period. But I'm excited today because last week our analysis actually worked perfectly well, just like the way it was analyzed. And we actually told you last week we need to watch out for the news because last week was filled with so many fundamentals, and we were actually waiting for the news to actually know the direction of the market, which it have actually played as analyzed. And right now we can see the direction of the market. This week I will probably trade this week, but not much. You can also join in those trades. Please don't trade much. Make sure you use proper risk management and ensure you always use your stop loss, right? And you can trade with low or small loss size this week. This is Christmas week. A lot of the institutional traders, the banks, they've actually closed. Some of them have actually closed trading for the year. So this week there's going to be less volatility. Market may be moving in one kind of direction, but from technical perspective, we're actually seeing where the market is actually going, and probably I'll trade this week, okay, but not much. All right, so please subscribe to this channel, Dubis Forex Academy. Follow us on Facebook, Dubis Forex Academy, Telegram, Wind Forex with Dubis, Instagram, Dubis Forex Academy. Dubis is DUBISS. Please follow us on all our social media handles, right? So please turn on the notification button for this YouTube channel and ensure you share this video. Let's make money trading the global financial market. So let's start with gold. We usually start with gold, XAUUSD. This is gold. We are going to be short on analysis this week because it's very simple. Look at what we said last week. That price will actually go down from this point. That price will go down. You can see that our price actually did exactly what we said. Can see, let's look at how many pips we made. This is what we dropped last week. Look at it. Wow, this is amazing. 500 pips, over 500 pips made from gold. We told you that price is going to go down. A lot of people were saying that price will get to 1860 and the rest, but I told you from where the price is and all these harmonic patterns, we draw it together last week. If you remember, if you have not watched the video, please go and watch our last week videos. We actually draw this thing together, that price is going to go down from this point. Of course, I told you to watch out for the news because last week was full of fundamentals, and then eventually price actually did go our way. So this week what we are expecting is just a little retest, which on Friday you can see gold actually retested this point. So we still anticipate gold to go down at least to this 39.40 area, even below, can even go down more. So this is what we are expecting this week, that gold will actually continue to go down. So you can take your entry, use low loss size, small loss size. Like I said, please trade with proper risk management. So we still anticipate gold to go more down this week. So gold will actually go more down. So congratulations to those that took the trade last week. It actually played out as analyzed. So congratulations. So this week gold will go more down than up. So I will look for opportunity to sell gold, to short gold more. All right, so let's go to USD CAD. Last week, if you watched, I actually didn't take USD CAD. I told you that where the price is, you can see what the price is. You can let to get the clear direction of where the price is going. I actually did another video this morning, which it didn't save. So that's why you're seeing this, because I didn't draw this line last week. Just draw it this week when I was making the videos, which didn't save. So I have to redo the video again. So we are actually anticipating USD CAD from what we are seeing now. If dollar continue to gain strength, so USD CAD may probably break this previous high. You know, we're shorting USD CAD from this point, but you can see what it's doing now. So we are actually going to probably be seeing USD CAD to go more up if dollar continue to gain more strength through what we are seeing now. So this could actually be that this retracement is over. It could actually be that it will go above this, but I'm not interested to trade USD CAD where the thing is prices right now. All right, so let's go to USD JPY. If you have been following our videos, you see that we started selling USD
JPY from this point up to this point, and we bought here, and eventually I withdraw this and said if price breaks here, then it will go more down. Of course, price have broken it and it went down. So last week I told you that let's watch out and see how the news is going to play, but that price will probably go down because price was actually retesting here when I made the video, and I told you that it will, as it is on this structure, it will go down than going up, so which actually went down. So at the moment it retested, so it's almost like as if price is consolidating. So at the moment I wouldn't be interested to trade USD JPY, though I'm seeing that price could actually make more down with what we are seeing because it's still respecting this zone, so price could actually go more down, but that depends on how strong the dollar will be, because if dollar is still very strong, it could actually break this structure and go back, and once it breaks this structure and retest, then price, it means that price will continue to go up. But at the moment we see more down than up. So this is my analysis for USD JPY. Alright, so let's go to NZD-USD. NZD-USD, amazing. Congratulations to those that took this trade. We actually told you that from this point, that price will go down from this point. This was the first scenario we made, and the second scenario was price could actually go by, maybe if the news didn't favor USD, could actually go this way, touch this structure again, and then go down. So actually our first scenario actually played out well from this point. So let's see how many pips we actually made for those that took the trade. This is the first scenario that played out. You can see price made over 100 pips. This is daily time frame. All the analysis I'm doing today is daily time frame. So over 150 pips made from NZD-USD. Congratulations to those that took the trade. So this week I'm expecting price to continue to go down. So I will still leave it the way I draw last week because price will still go more down. We're expecting price to go down more. So but what we can add this week is actually to check the Fibonacci to actually know where we could actually look at for price to touch. So this is where it started going down. So let's drop it very well now. So this price we're expected to at least touch 38.2 or 61.8. So these are new analysis for NZD-USD. So we expect price to actually touch 38.2 or 61.8. So this is what we are seeing for NZD-USD. So this week I'm going to be shorting NZD-USD. Alright, now remember this is Christmas week, so trade with caution. So price could actually touch 38.2 or 61.8. So these are analysis, these are targets for NZD-USD. So we'll still leave it like this the way it is. Let's go to AUD-USD. Right, AUD-USD. Yeah, if you watch our previous video, you see that it wasn't like this because like I said before, I made a new I made video this morning which actually disappeared. It couldn't save, so I'm just redoing it. So this is what I'm seeing for this week. So if you followed us last week, if you go back and check that video, you see that last week we actually said that price will go down from here. The price went exactly from this point and up to this point. Look at how many pips we made. Go and check the video, you see it. I draw something like from this point that price will go down. So it didn't even make any move further up from where I draw it that it's going to go down, and it actually went down. I can see it. This is over 200 pips from AUD-USD, over 200 pips made from AUD-USD. So this week, this is my analysis for this week, that from this point that price actually went down. It's either from here now, this is our new analysis. This is actually a new analysis for this week. The price could actually start to go down from this point, or it makes a new high, which is like this, not a new high actually, make a little go up more, which is like a retracement, more retrace more to upside this way, then from here go down more. So we are anticipating price to touch 38.2. At the moment I've not touched 38.2, so you need to touch 38.2 and 61.8 of this Fibonacci from this low to this high. So from this low to this high, we are seeing that this is actually there's supposed to be a proper retracement because it have hit a major structure or a major resistance. This a resistance. This is the resistance, and then price actually respected it. So we expect price to go more down this week. So that is analysis for AUD USD. So let's go to GBUSD. GBUSD, right? This was our analysis last week, and it actually played well. We told you that price will go down from this point, but you need to watch out for the news. At the moment, the news actually have come and gone last week. So this week, let's see what the price actually moved that last week. I told you that it's more down than up. So over 300 pips made from GBUSD. Congratulations once again to those that took this trade. So this week, we're expecting price to still continue to go down to at least 38.2 or 61.8, right? But if you want to take this trade, remember that this is daily time frame. Your risk or stop loss need to be above the last high, the daily candlestick, the daily high. Look at the daily high here. So from here, if you want to take the position from there, you see that is over 200 pips, so it's high. So you need to know, trade with low or small loss size, or you wait to see whether price will try to retrace more. Because I've not entered the trade at the moment for GBUSD. I'm trying to see price to retest more, as in to give me an entry point on lower time frame, then I continue. But the direction of the market is actually down at the moment, so there's going to be a retracement of this from this low to this high. So we are trying to see a retracement of up to 38.2 or 61.8, and that is when you now determine if price will change direction to continue to be more bearish, or from there price will go back upwards. So this is analysis for this week for GBUSD. All right, let's go to Euro USD. Wow, this is amazing. Euro USD, perfect for entry. Of course, there's no 100% in trading. Remember, that's why we always talk about proper risk management. Please trade with proper risk management. So, but what I'm seeing from Euro USD is more down. Last week I told you that Euro USD will go down rather than up. That was analysis for last week. So for this week, look at where the price is. It have hit this structure here. So of course, price need to respect this zone, which is actually a resistance. So what we are seeing for Euro USD is for price from this low, this is the last low, to this high, for price to continue to go down to touch 38.2 or 61.8. So I can tell you can trade Euro USD, and from where it is right now, you can see if you want to take an entry from here, your risk should just be above this candle. Let's see, so which is like 100 pips, right, above this candle, or above the structure up here. All right, so 100 and some fraction pips stop loss. All right, so I'm going to be shorting Euro USD this week, right? Euro USD this week. Remember, this is Christmas period, so please trade with caution, because anything can happen. But this technically, Euro USD is on its way down to at least 38.2 or 61.8. All right, so let's go to USD CHF. USD CHF, these are previous analysis. Yes, I didn't get here before the system went off last time. I told you that it didn't actually save this morning, the first video I made this morning. So this particular video I'm doing right now for USD CHF, we are still, because dollar, we're anticipating dollar to be strong, and you can see the harmonic on daily, so we are still expecting USD CHF to go more up. So let's delete the previous ones. This is what I did in the video that couldn't save. So let's delete the previous one so that we'll keep our charts clean. I like to trade naked forex, trade plain charts. All these lagging indicators, they don't actually work very well. So the highest thing I look at is maybe MACD, moving average, divergence, convergence, and just to not really that I use it, but what I use as a confirmation, and also harmonics. I love harmonics, and it plays out well. Of course, I do with Fibonacci retracements. If you are not using Fibonacci retracement, please try to use it. It's actually working very well. It's working very well. Like I said, there's no 100%. And there is no strategy that is 100% accurate. Okay, so USD CHF, as far as this week is concerned, so we should see more upward moves. So our direction for this week is still more up, so we should still expect USD CHF to go more up rather than going down. All right, that is what we're expecting for USD CHF to go more up rather than going down. Right. All right. Shit. Okay, sorry, it's still there. Sorry, I thought that my video have gone off. All right, my video is still there. Right, I thought it has happened the same way it happened last time that the thing went off. All right, so let's go to let's look at JPY index. JPY index. You know, I normally use JPY index to check how JPYs will be faring. You know, what happened on the index actually let us to know the direction of other JPY pairs. So you can see what's happening. It opened with a gap. So this is an engulfing candle. So JPY probably will continue to move higher. So and if JPY continue to move higher, that's to say, like I said before, that US JPY is more down than up. Euro JPY, GP JPY, that's to say all of them will go down more. You can see Euro JPY. Yeah, this is the early time frame, so it's actually going down. And GP JPY, same thing. GP JPY is going down, but there's a harmonic on 1 hour, so which means you could actually bounce off at any time. All right. So like I said, this week I don't want to waste much time, and this week is Christmas week, so you need to trade with caution. Let's just look at Euro GBP, because I analyzed it last week and it actually played out very well. Let's look at Euro GBP. This Euro GBP, amazing. This is wonderful. I told you that Euro GBP is up than down, and as far as this structure, this our strong support is working, is holding, then Euro GBP will go up. Look at the analysis for last week. This is the analysis for last week for Euro GBP. We told you that Euro GBP will go up. Look at the analysis. I draw this line. Go and watch the video last week, and I told you that Euro GBP will move up from this point. It actually played well. Wow, analysis is spot on. The price was here when I sent it. I said it will move up. All right, highest it will touch down the same support and move up. So actually, let's take it for those that just took entry from when I dropped this video. Look at how many pips. This is amazing. For Euro GBP to move up to 170 something pips is wonderful, is amazing. Please follow us, watch our videos, and take all these entries. You can see Euro GBP what it makes. So it's supposed to be, it's cool for this week. Euro GBP could grind higher, because if you go to daily time frame, you see that on daily time frame you can see it, that on daily time frame this is massive. This is the engulfing candle. Look at how many candles, look at how many times it touched here. That's why I told that this place is a strong support. Look at, even if you extend to this point, you see it touched here and it was rejected, touched here, rejected, up, came down, rejected, went up, came again, up, came, tried to stay. Look at how many days it stayed from this place. If you check from here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 days. On the 16th day it move up. So once this movement breaks this previous candle here, it means that price will continue to grind higher. So at the moment, if you miss the entry, there is no point for you to enter the trade at this moment, because it's already made over 100 and something, close to 200 pips. So you have made the entry. So congratulations to those that took the trade. I know most of you must have closed your trade, because we are in December and we told you that short trades is better than holding for long. All right, but for those that are holding their trades, you can move your stop loss to entry points and make sure it partial close and put some money in your pocket. So these are analysis for this week. So once again, go back and check those pairs. Euro USD we are to short, JP USD we are to short, and of course gold we are to short also. Gold we are shorting since last week. We are still on shorts for all these pairs. And NZUSD, of course, we are to short, and AUD USD we are to short them. So look at them once again. So congratulations, thank you very much, happy Christmas in advance. Next year, Dubis Forex Academy we'll ensure that we'll give you both analysis, and also we are going to be giving out our strategies and also some training. We are going to be dropping them on this YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Ensure you share this video. Please like the video. Don't just watch and leave. If you like the video, if you see that what we have analyzed have worked well, please, why not like our video? Please like the video and share the video. Thank you very much. This is Christmas, so I don't know if I'm going to be doing analysis on Monday next week, but no, Monday next week is actually 26th December, which is Boxing Day. We now have time to analyze again, so please take your trades. I believe I may have time to still do one more video for this year, for one more analysis for this year, to see how this analysis actually worked out. Otherwise, see you next year, but I'll try to see if we can still do at least one more analysis this week, this year. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Dubis Forex Academy and subscribe to our Telegram channel, Win Forex with Dubis. Please ensure you share these videos. Thank you very much.